Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce unbox review this touchscreen special for Jeep Wrangler 27 to 2018 years. Okay, here's the box. Let me unbox review. Let me open the box. We can check head unit with good condition. Okay. This is special harness. It has physical button. You can check this is head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness first. Okay. Okay, this is harness special for Jeep Wrangler. Okay, you can check. This is canvas box, and this is connector. You can check Wrangler compass power cable. Okay. Okay, you can check this connected, and this for amplifier with 12 voltage. This for steering wheel control. This K2 5 voltage. K2 for steering wheel. Okay, this is harness. Okay, you can check this remote controller, this GPS antenna, and this external microphone. This is cam input for backup camera. This is AUX cable, this video input, and this AUX input left and right. This connect back of head units. Okay, there are two USB cable or USB cable and external microphone. This connect back of head units. It's USB. This is front mini USB, connects front panel, and this USB port. Okay, this is radio antenna for Jeep Wrangler. Okay. And this audio cable is connected back of head unit. Okay, this is video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer, and this AUX out, front and rear, left and right AUX out. Okay, this cable. Okay, let me introduce head unit. Okay, this is drum agent. Okay, this is you can check this fixed DVD player in shippings. Please take out this two screw before installing. Okay, you can check this front. This have DVD slot. Okay, and this side. And you can check this fuse, this power button, this GPS antenna, this connector for cable, this radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Let me find some. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Connect the back head unit. Okay, head unit is that. This is not good display. Let me adjust. Okay. Okay, you can check. Please take out this screw protector before using. Take out the screw protector. Okay. Move settings. This brightness you can adjust. It's dark. This bright. It will adjust automatically. Okay. It's very fast response. We already upgraded this UI. You can check. Okay, let me show this DVD slot, this microphone, this IR, this power volume button, this home button, this back Navi, this GPS and USB, this SD card slot, these buttons, this next and up. Okay. It's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. It supports video out. This mirror link. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi. System, this language. You can change the languages. And this car setting. This drum setting, factory setting. Okay, let me check. This model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.